Hello, my name is Owen Evans and I'm a member of the support team at Colleague Software. Welcome to Colleague's Basic User Training session. This is designed to be delivered to users that are new to Colleague and will give you the necessary skills to use the system for your day-to-day recruitment needs. Before the session starts, we have a few slides which offer an overview on the content of this course. On average, these videos will take approximately 2 hours to run through. We will explore and click as we go, so we're going to be looking at the system and running workflow as well as going through some theory. We welcome your feedback. Also, if you're interested in a particular area of the system, please feel free to submit your questions to the support team or to your account manager. Notes on this session are available upon request, so take notes if that helps you to learn, but be assured that documentation is available. So, what are we going to cover? We're going to be looking at the standard recruitment process and how these recruitment functions work within Colleague. We'll discuss the main record types or entity types and how they link together. We'll talk about the importance of history notes and how to add new notes to a record. We'll discuss the diary feature and the maintenance of your diary. And we'll run through some basic candidate searches using Boolean and look at a few examples of this. By the end of this session, we will have covered the following areas. We'll also recap on these points at the end so that you can be satisfied that these areas were covered. The first point that we need to cover is the importance of keeping records. Though Colleague has a lot of functionality that benefits the productivity of a recruiter, it is first and foremost a tool for recording the work that you do. There is a discipline that comes with the successful use of a CRM like Colleague. A lot of our clients will advocate the view that if it's not in Colleague, it didn't happen. There is a line that is often used with databases, and that is rubbish in, rubbish out. Poor housekeeping will have a knock-on effect to all areas of the system. As previously mentioned, what we're going to cover in this session is the recruitment process. We will break this down into two areas: sales and delivery. Under sales, we have companies, which predominantly consist of contacts, addresses and history. Contacts, which focus on contact details, history and associated requirements. And requirements, which is Colleague's terminology for jobs or vacancies, which contain basic information relating to a vacancy, the job description, and the candidates that have been linked to it. Under delivery, we have search, which consists of text criteria, indexes, and the management of results. Under candidates, we look at contact details, the CV, and any associated skills. And with candidates and requirements linked, we then look at requirement workflow, starting with attach or shortlist, which can be done individually or in batch. Send CV, looking at the use of email templates and diarising feedback. Arranging an interview, again with templates and diarising feedback. Making an offer, the negotiation stage where we look at rates and the candidate's acceptance or rejection of an offer. And finally, placement, where we finalise rates, the start date, and go through authorisation levels which sign off the placement for back office processing. Let's log into Colleague.